And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you a 3D text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Let us start under View. We need to Smart Guides and only snap to point. And I want to create some text. Let's just call it 3D text. Use the type tool for that. The font that we're using doesn't really matter. I'll size it up holding Alt and Shift. I use source sans variable semi-bold, but you can do that with any font. If you can't find your character menu, just go to Window Type, and there it is. But we need the Appearance menu, so click on that. Select your text and just open a fill, and you can see what we've got here. A black fill color for now. I'll change that to an orange tone. We've got no strokes, so it's set to none. And if we click on the fill again, we've created a fill below our first one. Let me make that black. And you can see that you can't see anything on the text. Let me make the orange invisible, and you can see the black one is beneath it. It has the same size, so you don't see the black now. Make sure it's selected and go to the FX sign. And we want to have the transform effect under Distort and Transform. Check preview. You don't want to play around with the scale, but with the move. Let me show you at first what it does when we create big moves. So I use 5 pixels for vertical and horizontal, and you can already see the black one, and I increase the copies. And now you see that we've got these edges, like jagged edges, and that's not really what we want. We want to have a smooth transition between the copies, so you have to make the size quite small for the move, and then just increase the copies further and further. I don't know, something like 90 to 100 should be fine in this example for the size. And now we've got a smooth transition on the edges. And we can still use the character menu to play around the text. We can press T and add something to the text. And this 3D effect is automatically added as it has the same appearance. So I want to add a little bit of a stroke, so let me delete that. I'll open the appearance menu with the icon, and I use the stroke. Let's make that white, and I keep it to 1 point. So you can always go back to that and adjust it further. Double click on the transform and you can adjust that, but always make sure that you've got it selected, otherwise it won't work. You can change the fill color anytime. No problem with that. And you can also change the color of the 3D shadow and create interesting color combinations. And this is how you can create this 3D text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.